Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is the American original with no equal. The spacious interior offers a place for everything and everybody, any way you fold it. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, forward alert with automatic collision mitigation braking system, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and V8 engine. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads